Hello everybody, welcome back to the Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily enable or disable swaying warning on your Suzuki. So I am on the Suzuki eVTara. Now to change it, you guys need to go to the settings. Once you're in the settings, we want to go to the ADAS. And from here, we want to go over into the lane departure prevention. We're going to tap it twice to open the settings faster. Here at the bottom, we have the swaying warning. We can turn it off, and now you do not have a warning whenever you're swaying. So whenever you're trying to, let's say, not even adjust, but if you're really trying to just test the ground, you're trying to move left and right, you guys can see the reflection on this side, as you guys can see like that with the car. Then I would definitely recommend disabling it if you just want to warm the tires up for whatever reason. That's it. That's how you guys can easily enable it or disable it, as you guys can see. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.